Hello, my name is Justin Melillo, and I'm the co-founder and CEO of Mona. Mona is the premier 3D world-building platform and Web3 social network for the metaverse. Our mission is to empower billions of people to create, collect, and share immersive experiences on the blockchain. I'm here to talk to you about empowering creators with the open metaverse. At Mona, we're dedicated to building the tooling and infrastructure for creators to be able to build incredible, interactive, and dynamic immersive experiences that can be accessed all through the web browser. With Mona, land sales are a thing of the past. Instead of having to purchase land to get started with building for the metaverse, with Mona, we're actually placing creators and developers at the forefront, enabling them to build any type of world they want without any land purchase or any upfront purchase at all, actually. It's completely free for any creator to build, mint, and sell their own metaverse world with Mona. As a creator, it's totally free and easy to get started building for the open metaverse with Mona. You can use your existing 3D software that you're already familiar with to start building, export those 3D assets, and import them into our no-code template that you're able to then export from and drag and drop straight to the web browser, where you can start sharing and exploring your very own virtual experience. As we spend more and more time throughout the next decade in these immersive worlds in the metaverse, it is of the utmost importance that these worlds are super high quality, that they're really engaging, and they're a ton of fun to join and connect with others with. That's why we want to invest all of our resources in supporting creators and building the most incredible worlds that they can dream up. These can be worlds that are their own standalone artistic installations. They can be the stage for a concert or an electrifying performance to take place. They can even be an art gallery or a storefront for artists and collectors to display, share, and even sell some of their work. We're also really excited about the future of digital fashion in the metaverse. And that's why with Mona, you can bring your very own interoperable VRM avatars, a completely custom avatar you're able to import directly into Mona. You can even build your own avatar as well. We also have a partnership with Ready Player Me, so we make it super easy through their suite of tools for anyone to customize their own avatar when they're exploring any of the incredible metaverse worlds inside of Mona. With the open metaverse and blockchain technology that Mona is building upon, it's very easy for creators to use interoperable file formats that they can use to actually mint their NFTs and mint their worlds. And these file formats, when you purchase a world as a collector, you actually have access to the 3D data. As a creator, when you're building a world, the 3D assets that you upload to the web browser and mint as an NFT, those 3D assets are all decentralized and stored on IPFS. That's why we partnered with Filecoin and Protocol Labs to use IPFS to guarantee that these incredible metaverse experiences will survive for decades and decades to come. Since Mona's launch last year, creators have uploaded more than 1,500 metaverse worlds to the Monaverse. I'm going to take a few minutes now to actually jump in and share some of the incredible worlds that our creators are building. Now, via monaverse.com, you can actually start jumping into any of these worlds, and this one here is called Neon City Streets. And as you can see, the visual fidelity is unparalleled. With Mona, creators have virtually no restrictions and no limits in terms of the size of world they can build, and also the visual and graphics fidelity. Now, you can even program different interactions into your metaverse spaces, like doors opening or triggering different buttons that can actually affect the environment and setting of your world. What's great is Mona also enables creators to add hyperlinking to different objects inside of their worlds, so that when you click on them, you can read more about them and click to view on separate websites. Creators have been using this functionality to build out their very own art galleries, collections, and even virtual storefronts inside the metaverse. You'll also notice that I have my very own avatar that I'm running around with. This is through the integration with Ready Player Me, which I can actually click and a Ready Player Me menu will come up so I can change my avatar. Mona also supports VRM avatars, which are completely custom avatars. It's actually an interoperable avatar format, so you can import your VRM into Mona as well. So this is just one of the many thousands of worlds that have been uploaded. I'm actually going to go back to the Mona homepage and jump into a few others to show off for you. This one is another one of my personal favorites. It's called Temple Garden by a creator who goes by the name of Memory. And as you can see, diving in from the homepage, it just takes a few seconds to load into an entirely new metaverse experience. You can see this visual style is entirely different from the previous world. By giving creators the flexibility of building in their existing toolset and not restricting them to one visual aesthetic, whether that be low poly or very stylized, where we give creators the ultimate freedom and flexibility to build any type of world they want, one that is completely stylized or one that is more photorealistic. By going to monaverse.com, you can actually browse any of these hundreds of worlds here. And from here, I'm actually going to jump into this world that is even more photoreal than the last one. See, this world is just, I mean, this is insane. And this is one that you can actually run through, and it takes, I think, about 40 minutes to run from one end to the other. I mean, it's just incredible. You can even dance with your avatars here. You can switch to first person. So there's a lot that you can do inside of these spaces. Now, this world was actually used as, I think they were building in a scavenger hunt here. And oh, look at this. This artist is including all links to the different works that he's been building as well. So we see a lot of people who are building worlds that aren't just meant as galleries or just places to gather for communities, but they're actually the basis for different types of games and scavenger hunts. With Mona, we're adding more and more interactive tooling as well that will enable creators to build more interactive game experiences, and we'll be able to get completely custom with the types of worlds and types of interactions that they can build. I'll jump into one more world here just to kind of show you the range that you can get. This world is called Bonkers Garden. And this space is entirely different from the last spaces that I've been showing. So this one is a fully stylized world that is made of basically these really incredibly drawn 2D assets. I'm falling through a portal here. Whoa. Crazy. And then I walk through this door, and now I'm transported to this other realm, this really incredible environment that is just fully drawn in 2D and layered in 3D space. It's really, really an incredible experience. And I encourage anyone watching here to visit our website, dive into any of these worlds with your headphones on or with your audio on, because the spatialized audio that you can actually use when you're building these worlds, it really helps to take the experience to a whole nother level in terms of immersion and sound quality. It really helps to create a more immersive experience as a user. It is free and easy for anyone to get started with building their very own custom metaverse space with Mona. All you have to do is head to the Monaverse website. If you click on Build a Space, it'll actually take you to our documentation pages where we have all of the info you need to get started. Once you're ready to actually build and upload your space, you just log in with your MetaMask or Wallet Connect account, and this will actually bring you to your Spaces page. You can click Create a New Space, and you can actually fill out info here and start uploading all of your assets to the web browser. So I'm going to just do a blank space here, test space, test description, test summary. I can select a couple of themes for my space. Click continue, and here I can actually start uploading my exported files from my Mona template, and once it's all ready to go, I'll actually be able to go and preview my space inside of Monaverse. So it's super, super easy to get started. Definitely head over to the Monaverse marketplace and check out any of these spaces that are listed here, or make an offer on any of the spaces available. With Mona, creators earn perpetual royalties for all of the sales So that's something that's really important to us as well, is that creators are able to tap into new income streams by building incredible, immersive metaverse spaces. Thanks so much for tuning in to watch this presentation on the ways that Mona is helping the creator economy and helping creators to build for the open metaverse by leveraging blockchain technologies. If you'd like to find out more, or if you'd like to join the community, we would love for you to get involved with Mona. Please check us out on Twitter and Instagram at Monaverse, and definitely join our Discord. If you go to monaverse.com/Discord, we would love for you to jump into the community, start sharing your work, share your inspiration, or if you're a collector, dive on in and start meeting some of the artists whose work that you'll be able to collect on Mona. So thanks so much, and I would love to answer any questions that anyone might have regarding metaverse world building or blockchain and metaverse technology.